Hi everyone, welcome to my latest Lightroom tutorial. Today we will learn to make the preset you can see on the screen. Here are some before and after pictures. If you would like the original preset file, you can download it for free by finding the password in this tutorial. Detailed instructions can be found in the description. Let's begin. Open the light section. Contrast, +7. Highlights, -52. Shadows, +42. Whites, +25. Blacks, -29. Let's go to the tone curve. Edit the main curve this way. Modify the blue curve this way. Open the color section. Vibrance, +9. Open color mix. Red, saturation, -18. Orange. Hue, -36. Saturation, -36. Luminance, -12. Yellow. Hue, -21. Saturation, -5. Luminance, -6. Aqua. Hue, +9. Saturation, +12. Luminance, -4. Blue. Hue, +39. Saturation, +34. Luminance, -10. Magenta, saturation, -31. Luminance, -18. Open the color grading section. Let's edit the shadows. Hue, +308. Saturation, +22. Luminance, -10. Move to midtones. Hue, +231. Saturation, +6. Luminance, +15. Change the highlights. Hue, +129. Saturation, +26. Luminance, +10. Blending, +35. Open the Effects section. Vignette. Amount, -13. Feather, +78. Open Optics and tick Remove CA. And we're finished. To keep up to date with new tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Check out the rest of this channel for more free presets. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.